the channel. It's your girl Providence here. If this is your first time stopping by, you're most definitely welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your love and your support. I do really appreciate you guys. So on today's video, I am gonna be talking about my weight loss journey, update about where I am right now, what I'm doing, and my experience with keto. So if you want to listen and hear my experience about the keto and where I am right now and moving forward, just keep on watching. So my keto experience was really great. I did keto for up to close to 3 months, and then I enjoyed it. It was really nice, to be honest. I felt like when I was in that keto phase, I just felt like thinking about it like lifestyle. It's something that I really wanted to do in the long run, like just make it a lifestyle change instead of a diet. So I was really excited. I was looking into like getting more products, more keto products, going to stores that have more keto friendly products like Whole Foods, Publix, Costco, etc. So yeah, I was really excited about like the journey and everything. I even got alternatives and stuff like that, and I did a video regarding my keto favorites. So if you want to watch that video, I'm gonna put a link up here so you can see that video. So yeah, so keto was going fine, was going well, but here and there sometimes I was getting like some pain, and I was getting like I wasn't using the toilet as I used to before, but I felt like maybe because I wasn't eating more carbs, so it was okay, it was fine, you know. So I keep on getting this pain, this sharp pain in my belly, and then I noticed whenever I eat like those substitute pita bread or substitute bread, I was getting like pain. So I said, okay, you know what, I'm gonna like not eat the bread for a week and see what happened. So but I was getting two different type of pains, right? So there's one that's just so sharp and really painful. That one happens like on my right side right here, and it's really painful. And there's so many times I thought, okay, I was gonna go to the ER, but I'll wait for like, let's say after like 6 hours, I will be fine, I'll be okay, I won't get the pain anymore. So I'll say, okay, no need, you know. The other one was happening on my upper abdomen, my rib cage right here, and on the left side. So I was like, okay, so these are two different type of pain. And I realized whenever I eat those substitute bread, like what do you call that, oh my god, this bread, carb balance, and I forgot the name of this bread, solar bread, yeah. And I was checking the ingredients with the carb balance and the solar bread. I was seeing that they have similar ingredients. So I felt like maybe the ingredients in those products, I'm allergic to them, they don't fit well with my system. So I didn't eat them for a week, and so when I ate them again, I got the same pain, the one on my rib cage and on my lower abdomen. So I decided like, okay, I'm not gonna eat them anymore. I'm just gonna focus on just eating clean, like eating other things, just veggies and whatever. So I got this sharp pain one day. I kept getting the pain, and my husband was like, okay, this is not good, you need to stop keto, because I think it's the keto, that's why you're getting so much pain. And I was like, no, it's not the keto. At the same time, my sister was doing the keto as well, but she wasn't getting any pain. And I know a lot of people who are doing the keto, they don't get this pain, right? So my husband was like, you need to stop, I think the keto is the problem. So I said, you know what, I'm gonna give it one try. One day I was like in so much pain, I couldn't do anything, I was in so much pain. And I called my husband, I was like, we gotta go to the ER. He came from work, we went to the ER, and then when I went there, they told me I have so much stool in my stomach, like I need to empty my bowels, like that's the problem, that's the reason why I'm getting so much pain. And they asked me, did you make any dietary changes and stuff like that? And I said, yes, I started on the keto. And she's like, well, because you're not getting a lot of fiber, I think that's the reason you're getting the pain, because we saw like you have so much stool in your stomach and there's a blockage right there. You need to kind of eat a lot of fiber to flush that out. So I was like, okay. So my husband was like, you're not doing keto. And I was like, I'm gonna do keto, I'm gonna try eat more veggies and stuff. He's like, no more keto, just eat healthy and that's it. So keto was really good. I lost so much weight on keto, I felt energized on keto, I felt okay. Keto was really perfect. When keto and you're not having any problem with fiber or anything, I think that is okay, you can continue doing keto. Like, it's not bad, but I don't know if it's sustainable in the long run. People say it is, but for me, it's not something I'm gonna do in the long run. And at first, I never really wanted to do keto. I was gonna do carb recycling, but when I saw that it was effective for me to lose weight without eating carb. I felt like, okay, that would be the fastest way for me to like just jump into it and lose weight. I lost a lot of weight on keto. I'm way past my pre-baby weight, like where I was before I got pregnant. I'm way past that right now. My objective right now is to kind of like lose more weight, which I'm going to talk later on in this video. So yeah, so keto is good. If you feel like you want to do it, keep on doing it. If you feel like it's for you, do it. I see people who do it and they're happy with it, but for me, I don't think it's sustainable for me, because I think my system needs a lot of fiber. And one thing I would say about keto is when you're on keto, try to eat lots of veggies, because I know like people get carried away with the cheesiness and the fatty stuff, whatever, like the cheese and all those stuff, mayonnaise. Try to eat more veggies and do more clean keto, right? So maybe that's what I didn't do, which I felt like I did pretty well, because before, when I did keto, I was just eating all junky keto. Not really like, you know, though I lost weight, but it was just all junky. Like I'll stuff myself with chicken wings and stuff like that. But this time I was very conscious. I was tracking my macros and all those stuff. So but it just didn't work out for me. Body don't react well with keto diet. So yeah, so where I am right now, is I'm trying to lose another 10 pounds before my birthday. So my birthday is in June and now we're in April, so I'm on a mission to lose 10 pounds to be 160 by my birthday. My goal is to be 134. I'm gonna try my best as much as possible before the year end to get to that goal, but right now I gave myself to lose 10 pounds. So I have May, I have 1 month, almost 2 months, right, to lose that weight. So right now I'm on that goal right now. So what I do clean eating, healthy food. I eat everything but in moderation, and as well I'm trying to do the intermittent fasting. I stop eating at 5 o'clock in the night, and then I'll eat in the morning at 11 or 12, it depends. So I drink lots of water. So with that said, right now I'm just doing clean eating, and I try to like do the intermittent fasting, as well as eating healthy, lots of smoothies, veggies, a lot of veggies, protein, little bit of good fats like nuts and avocado and all the stuff. So yeah, so that's what I'm doing, and I track my macros. So I try to stay 1200 to 1300 calories a day. That's what I try to do. Most times I don't even get to that stage. I eat like 1000. Sometimes I'll eat 1001. So it depends on what I'm eating that day and how I feel. So that's what I try to do. And as well, sometimes I try to do the 500 5 to 2 intermittent fasting. So twice in a week I'll do like 500 calories, but I'll still eat a lot of veggie, and I'll eat breakfast, lunch and dinner, but I'll just make sure that my calories are like up to like 150. So yeah, so that's what I try to do right now. I try eat healthy food, and to be honest, right now I just feel like I'm more of like lifestyle changes than just diet. I'm not looking at diet anymore. I'm looking at something that is beneficiary for me and that I can pass on to my family. And I think my husband is doing the same thing right now. Whatever I make, if I make veggies and protein and a little bit of side potatoes, we'll eat that. So it's just more of the family trying to eat healthy, which is really good. So yeah, so that's my update. So I'm gonna be bringing you guys along. I'm gonna show you guys what I eat. My routine for working out didn't change. I work out majority of the time, most 4 times a week, but if I have time I try to work out from Monday to Saturday. Yeah, so my workout routine didn't change as much. I'm still doing the same thing I'm doing, working out, eating healthy. Now I'm doing more meal prep. You guys are gonna see more meal prep from me. You're gonna see what I eat in a day, what I like to eat for breakfast, the fruits I eat, and all those type of stuff. So yeah, so that's the update right now. It's more of a lifestyle change than just being on a diet, because I feel so much better when I was able to control my food, my intake of snacking and everything, eating lots of junky food and chocolate. I feel so much better and energized. So I feel like making that lifestyle change will be much better for me and for my family as well. So yeah, so that's where I am right now. As of right now, when I checked my weight yesterday, I was 171. So I'm trying to lose like that 10 pounds before June 9. I give myself the objectives, and yeah, so these are the things I do. Feel free to subscribe and follow my journey. Let's do this together. Thank you so much for your support, for your love. I really do appreciate you guys, and I love you. Thank you for your support. And I will say for now, thank you so much, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye, and I love you.